All right, so number 13 on page 601. It says to find cosine of negative pi over 6 exact value. So the first thing we need to do is to figure out what is negative pi over 6. So what do I have to replace pi with? 180 degrees is right. So cosine of negative 180 over 6. So what is your negative 180 over 6? Negative 30. If we are here, which direction does negative go? Downward. So we're looking for 30 degrees right here. If this is 30, across from 30 is my 1, the leg, and this one is the square root of 3, and this is 2. So cosine, remember, is adjacent over your hypotenuse. So my adjacent, which is square root of 3 over 2. So that's what you have to do, yes. Let's do one more. Let's do number 10. 10 says cosine of 45. Oh, first of all, and remember it is positive, but also remember to look, this is cosine in the fourth quadrant is positive. So that's why it is positive. If it would have been sine, remember it would have been negative, because this is my y value, so this would have been a -1. So that would have been a negative if it was sine. Sine of what is sine of negative 30? -1 over. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So it would have been -1 over 2. So it would have been -1/2. Just so you guys can remember. Alright, so exact value of cosine 45. So we have our 45-degree triangle. 1 square root of 2. And 45 is, or cosine, we have adjacent. So adjacent over my hypotenuse. So we have 1 over square root of 2. Can't have square root on the bottom, so I have to multiply by the square root of 2. So square root of 2 over 2. And it's cosine 45, so it's also positive. So 7, make sure you finish up those numbers 7 through 15. So you will be doing 7 through 15 on this page along with the other. I believe you got 2 minutes, so.